How to fix Google Gemini conversation requires an update problem. So if you want to fix Google Gemini conversation requires an update problem, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, if you try to open your Gemini and if it says that it requires an update, then you just need to simply tap on the update and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. If you don't find an update right here, then what you can do is just go back and then open up your Play Store. Go with search, and here you need to search for Gemini and you will have the application. As you can see that I don't have any updates, but if you have any updates or if any updates are available, then you just need simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. So if you get an update or if you get a problem which says Google Gemini conversation requires an update, then just go with your Play Store or go with your App Store, find Gemini, update it, and it will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.